Asbestos was once widely used in homes, schools, hospitals, and industrial buildings. For workers and homeowners, the risk arises during renovation or demolition activities when asbestos fibers can be released into the air. When asbestos fibers are inhaled, they enter through the mouth and nose and travel deep into the lungs through the air passages. The fibers become trapped in the delicate lung tissue where oxygen is transferred into the bloodstream. The body's immune cells attempt to break down the asbestos fibers, but in the process, they become damaged and die. Scar tissue then forms around these dead cells and continues to spread as more fibers become lodged in the lungs. Because asbestos fibers can remain in the lungs for a long time, the resulting scar tissue continues to develop for many years after exposure. Over time, the buildup of scar tissue can become so extensive that the lungs are no longer able to function properly. Remember, when it comes to asbestos, awareness, testing, and safe handling can save lives.
Follow Green World Group for more life-saving safety tips like this.